Hey guys, today I'm gonna show you how to remove the EGR valve from this Mazda 2. So the valve is located back here, right above the exhaust manifold. So you can see that this car has an electronic EGR valve, it's not vacuum actuated. Now in order to remove it from here, you gotta get access to the bolts from behind here. So it's gonna be extremely limited space. So if you have one of these mirrors with a light, you can guide yourself and see the bolts. So there are those two bolts which holds the valve itself on. Yeah, so you can see them right there. Okay, now let's lubricate a little bit this connector because it's stuck in there for some reason. Alright, now there is a vacuum line here. Now on the valve itself, you want to see that plunger move. So one easy test is to press on it, and that's how you can see if the spring can apply the tension and close it. And also you can see the plunger move in and out. That's perfect, that's what you want to see. See, from this point you can give it a clean if it's carbon buildup around, or just replace it if it's completely broken and impossible to make that plunger move in there. Now if you have a closer look down there with a mirror, you can see that there is actually a second part of the EGR valve, and this part can also get clogged up, especially if you have a lot of oil into the intake or the engine burns oil. In the matter of a couple of hundreds of kilometers, you're gonna see a lot of carbon buildup. If this was the situation on your car and you fix the oil leak, whatever causes the oil to enter in the combustion chamber, and now you want to clean the EGR valve assembly, then you have to take out this second part. So this is what we're gonna do next. As you can see in the mirror, we've got this hose which comes from the exhaust manifold, and we gotta remove those two bolts. And then you've got the hose which connects to the intake manifold. It's held on by this nut. You're gonna need a 22mm wrench. This can be very rusty, so before reinstalling it, give it a nice clean. Now you're gonna need a long 10mm. Okay, so now in order to take out this hose, we gotta disconnect it from the exhaust manifold. There is a 10mm bolt here which holds the bracket on. So let's see. Here it is. Now let's disconnect that vacuum line. This one right here. Okay. Now if you take again the mirror, you can see you've got one bolt there and one on the other side. So you can see how much a mirror can make a difference. I'm using only the mirror to guide myself. So you're gonna need something like this, otherwise you cannot do this job. Here is the bolt. I gotta take out this hose clamp because it sits, you can see it goes through this device, and that's how you can take it out finally. Okay, so now it's time to clean it up, remove all the carbon buildup from here. Let's do the same on the valve. Also keep in mind that on this part you've got some gaskets which you need to replace, especially if your car runs lean and you suspect an exhaust leak. Go ahead and replace these gaskets. Alright, now the EGR valve is on. Finally it's time to put the cover with the air filter and with the computer of the car and this job is going to be done.